project 1976 Ford. It's a Ranger XLT. It was my grandfather's truck. He bought it in 1989. And I'm driving it home today. It's been at my parents' house. So it's the first time it's drove on the highway in probably about 15, 16 years. Maybe even more than that. Because somewhere around early 2000s he quit driving it. So he lives about 35 minutes from me, and I'm going to try to make it home with it. I put a new carburetor on it, which I bought off eBay, and it's got new weather stripping that I got off CJ Pony Parts, and a new gas tank from LMC Trucks. None of those are sponsors, but that's where I got the products from. So hopefully y'all enjoy this video.